Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today again here I am with one more cool trick by which you can earn unlimited number of followers as well as likes on Instagram. Yes guys, unlimited. So guys, without wasting our time, let's start the video. So guys, this is one of my Instagram account. In this account I'm going to show you live proof that how you can earn unlimited number of Instagram likes and followers. All you need to do is just start following some of the famous celebrities who have too much followers. Just start following them. So guys, let me just show you. Let me find some of the famous celebrities. Like I'm searching for Messi. So here I am going to follow Messi, and here I can see few of the suggestions. I'll just follow few of the suggestions because they also have so many followers. So again I'm going to search on like Justin Bieber. Here I'm going to follow him as well. Let me follow some of the more celebrities. Snoop Dogg, yes, Chris Brown. Yeah, so since I have followed some of the famous celebrities, now by the time in few minutes I'll start earning followers here on this account. So guys, this trick works. Yeah, and trick was there where you used to get followers. When you follow someone, they follow you back. That trick is very old and that trick don't work nowadays. So guys, this is one of the tricks that I'm showing you right now. Will work for sure. Now I'm going to show you that how you can earn unlimited likes on Facebook. Just select a photo and just click on if you want to edit it. Now after doing this, now tap on this next tab, and here on the description bar you have to paste some of the hashtags. Like you will search tophashtags.net on Google, open the first link, and this is basically the home page of this site. Here are top 30 hashtags. Just tap to copy those hashtags. Now go on Instagram, in description bar simply just paste all the hashtags. Now just tap on share. So guys, once you have shared this photo, likes will start to come on your post. Like here you can see a follower has came by the same trick that I have shown you. And guys, by the every passing minute the followers will start to increase. And now I will show you some live example how I am getting some likes on this photo by doing this trick. So here it is. Now guys, here you can can see it's a live proof. 1 second before I got 2 likes, and these likes and the followers both will be increasing by every passing second. So guys, without wasting time, just use this trick, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.